If you guys can remember back to last August, we introduced our first dog training video, where Beetle and I performed 3 tricks: wipe your paws, twist and spin, and peekaboo. We're going to recap with twist and spin so you can see the progression Beetle has made with it. Then we're going to introduce you guys to one easy trick and then one intermediate trick: high five and bow. We're going to be using Beetle's favorite treats right now, which are Beggin strips. And we're going to start off by showing you the tricks that we introduced last time, which is spin and twist. Beetle, spin. Good girl. Now if you remember, it's just the hand motion, spin, followed by the word cue. And then you want to treat immediately. So spin is good. Let's see about twist. Beetle, twist. Good girl. Twist. Good girl. So you see she's got it pretty well. Sit. So now we're going to work on a new trick. First, let's do the easy trick of high five. She just learned that today. And it's real easy. It's like give paw, which she knows, except now instead of this way, your hand is going to go up this way. Beetle, high five. High five, up here. Good girl. Beetle, high five. Good girl. And you want her to meet your hand up. I didn't say it. High five. High five. This hand. This paw. Good girl. Beetle, high five. Other paw. Good girl. So that's a pretty easy trick. All the dog needs to know is how to give paw. Our next trick that we're going to teach is bow. Now, Beetle and I have been practicing this for weeks, and we finally got it. And we're going to show you today. I'll first show you the end result, and we'll take it apart front to back to see how she did it. Ready? Up. Good girl. Beetle, bow. Good bow. Beetle, bow. Bow, stay. You can see how the bow, you want the front legs down and the butt sticking up. Good bow. Now you can teach bow in a couple different ways. One is to actually catch it in action. You can do this by seeing the dog wake up, seeing them naturally stretch, give the cue, bow. Hey, bow. Good girl. And then rewarding. Some dogs catch on quick with that. Beetle, however, did not. I had to teach her another way. Every time I tried training her bow, she just kept laying down, so I needed to figure out a way to keep that butt up in the air while I directed her down. And I did this in a strange manner, but it worked. And she hates it. So we could only do this about 3 times before she didn't want anything to do with it. But in the end result, she learned how to bow. Beetle, ready? Stay. How I did this is I manually put my knee here, my arm around her, this arm forward with a treat, and I kind of did a side lunge. Good girl, good bow, which forced the dog's belly up, but the bottom down. I didn't have to do that very often before she figured it out. Bow. Good girl. That was my fault. Up. Good. So we'll do that a couple times just so you can see how we do it. Beetle. Hey, attention. Look at me. Look at me. Good girl. Beetle, look at me. Good girl. Right, right. Yeah, good girl. Beetle, twist. Good girl. Beetle, bow. Good girl. Now that one I shouldn't have probably rewarded her because she went into a full lay down. Ready? You want a cookie? Come on. Ready? Okay. Sit. Good girl. High five. Yes. Beetle. Ready? Other paw. Other paw. High five. Other paw. Good girl. Now she's getting excited. Beetle. Ready? Bow. Good girl. Beetle. Spin. Beetle. Spin. Spin. Good girl. Beetle. Twist. Good girl. Spin. Good girl. Give. So that was a really quick video on how to teach your dog how to bow, how to high five, and we even went over the last tricks we learned, which were spin and twist. Now Beetle's pretty bored and she doesn't look like she's in the mood to learn anymore, which is fine. This process you don't want to rush. It's meant to be both fun for you and the dog. And if the dog's not having fun, it's not going to want to do tricks. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can see new videos.